Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Most babies will have hiccups after each feed. This can be upwards of 3 to 4 times a day. But in most cases, there is no cause at all. Hiccups are normal involuntary spasmodic contractions of the muscles of the inner and outer chest. 5 May 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
Head down, cephalic position. You may also notice that you feel his hiccups below your belly button. Anterior position, head down, with his back towards the front of your tummy. If your baby's in an anterior position, you're likely to feel movements under your ribs. Your belly button may pop out, too.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Many parents use one of these 3 methods. Sit upright and hold your baby against your chest. Your baby's chin should rest on your shoulder as you support the baby with one hand. Hold your baby sitting up, in your lap or across your knee. Lay your baby on your lap on his or her belly.
Take our lead.
While it is certainly possible to overfeed a baby, most infant nutrition experts agree that it is fairly uncommon. As we noted earlier, babies are innately capable of self-regulating their intake. They eat when they're hungry and stop when they're full. 15 February 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
For example, many researchers note that babies may twitch or smile in their sleep during active sleep. When babies go through this type of sleep, their bodies can make involuntary movements. These involuntary movements might contribute to smiles and laughter from babies during this time.
Let's help you make your mark.
Let's look deeper at these suggestions. Take a break and burp. Taking a break from feeding to burp your baby may help get rid of the hiccups, since burping can get rid of excess gas that may be causing the hiccups. Use a pacifier. Infant hiccups don't always start from a feeding. Try gripe water. Let them stop on their own.
Take our lead.
While fetal hiccups can be distracting, they are not painful, and episodes should not last longer than 15 minutes. Fetal movements can be uncomfortable and make it difficult for pregnant women to relax or even fall asleep. 4 July 2018.
Take our lead.
Very common in babies, hiccups are developmental. More importantly, they're a sign of satiety. If your baby hiccups during his quiet alert time, it's a sure sign he's had enough. If your baby hiccups while still at the breast, he'll most likely stop feeding, since the hiccups can be uncomfortable at that point.
Take our lead.
Sometimes feeding your baby will help stop the hiccups, but if not, don't worry. Fortunately, babies do not seem to be bothered by hiccups and they often can eat and sleep even while hiccuping. Babies have frequent bowel movements, usually after every feeding.
Take our lead.
The good news is, in most cases, this reflex is normal and just another part of pregnancy. It's important to note that fetal hiccups are, in general, considered a good sign. After week 32, though, it's less common to experience fetal hiccups every day.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.